This is a twin-engine, all-wheel drive Nissan 350Z built and owned by John Ashley Robinson. This Z is powered by two upgraded and turbocharged Honda K24 2.4-liter four-cylinders, producing 500 horsepower each in base tune, but should make around 1,000 horsepower each when properly tuned, or 2,000 horsepower total. Each engine has its own 5-speed manual transmission and limited slip differential, which are shifted through one shifter and managed through one set of pedals. The Z features a full silhouette cage, Brembo disc brakes, a hydro e-brake, 19-inch LXZ wheels, gooseneck trailer, and more.